We have put across our demand to Mishra ji, and not only us, there were other organizations. There were there was IPFT, which was also there before us. Tipra Motha has put across their point for Greater Tipra land, and the Samajpatis, the civil society leaders, also put across their demands. And as far as we are concerned, we have stuck to our demand for Greater Tipra land, and we have put across a demand. He has heard us out patiently. He has taken down our point, and I believe that this is a first meeting has been under a very good and a congenial atmosphere, and we are hopeful that there will be uh, a logical end and a constitutional solution for the survival and existence of the indigenous people of Tripura. Yes, the framework has to be decided. There are points which have to be understood from both sides. We have articulated our points. They will have to come back to us. But the fact is that we have not diluted our stand, and we have stuck to the most important thing, that any solution which has to happen for the indigenous people has to be for the community and not for political leadership. Politicians will come and go, but if the community survives, then only will our next generation survive. So, land, executive powers, financial, greater Tipra land, culture, identity, all have been discussed and all have been put across by us. And I'm sure IPFT has done the same, and so have the Samajpatis.